Hey ladies, hope you guys are having a great Thursday. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how you can get a whole bunch of lemongrass stuff for either free or half price. And I know with doing the Lady of the Month show, it's amazing, especially if, maybe you just had a party and you don't, you're not ready to do another party, but you still need to replenish your product stock. Sometimes when we get to the end of a lot of stuff and we want to replenish a bunch at one time, it's easier to just host an event. Now, if you're local to Lancaster, I'd love to do one in person for you. If you're interested in a makeup class, I actually host those at my home, and don't let the word class intimidate you. It's more just like a makeup, I don't know what you'd say, a makeup hour or something. And we all sit around my spa table out here in my dining room, and I actually walk you and your friends through an everyday makeup look. It's so easy and so fun, and people walk away so inspired with just different tips that they have never heard of before, and they just feel a lot more confident. And one thing that I do with my makeup classes is I always try and make them to make them into a safe environment. So a place where women can ask questions that maybe they'd be embarrassed to ask at Ulta Beauty or somewhere at a salon or whatever. It's a safe place to come with all of your makeup questions. Now, if you are wanting to have an event at your home and invite your friends to your house and have me come and share, I do in-home facials. So we'll set up around your dining room table. I have a little bowl and a mirror for each person. It is so much fun. Everybody gets to do a facial, and people literally go crazy over the difference they can see in their skin just from doing the facial just that day. So those are very successful, and so if you're looking for an experience like that, I can definitely do that. Now, for those of you who love this format that we're doing for the Lady of the Month, did you know that I actually offer these as regular texting shows? So if, let's say, you have a bunch of friends who maybe they live all over the United States or something, and you really want to introduce them to lemongrass, maybe they've asked you questions about it before, and you're like, oh yeah, I use this and this, I love their foundation, whatever. I can totally do a show like this, like we did this week, just for you and your friends. So easy and so fun. And I really am honestly looking for some people to test this out because I really want to see how it compares to Facebook parties. I've had some successful Facebook parties, but I feel like a lot of people with the Facebook algorithms and stuff, it's harder for people to see Facebook posts, and people just don't want to spend a lot of time on Facebook anymore. So I would be really grateful if some of you would be willing to test this out. And what better month to do it than this month of July? You don't have to do anything if you do opt for the texting one. You don't have to do anything. You just get me your friends' phone numbers, and of course I'll walk you through how to invite them and get them excited about it and whatever. But then you can go vacation and do whatever you want to do, and I will be doing a show like this for you and your friends. Now, the cool thing with doing it in the month of July is that we have those 50% more hostess rewards. I know for me, whenever I host other direct sales parties, like I just hosted a Pampered Chef party, and this is their double hostess rewards month. So I got so much Pampered stuff for free. So if you have been on the fence for hosting a Lemongrass Spa Party, this is totally your month because of those 50% more hostess rewards. So worth it to do an event yourself. So if you guys have questions on that, let me know. I do my best to serve my customers to the best of my ability, and I try to make parties really fun for my hostesses because I know that they can be stressful. As a hostess, it can be very intimidating to try and have people to your home or, all of that stuff. But one thing I've noticed with lemongrass parties is when people can't come, they're really disappointed that they can't come. They really love lemongrass parties. I think it's just the feeling of being pampered and being able to really, try the products, and who doesn't love skincare stuff? So anyway, if you want to get on my calendar for this month, get in touch with me as soon as you can. And again, I would really love to test this texting show out with a hostess instead of like a Lady of the Month show. So if you have questions, let me know. I also wanted to go over how to order. Again, for those of you who maybe didn't hear it the first time or just need a refresher, when you're ready to place your order, you can just simply text me your order and I can take care of everything for you. Or you can go directly to my website, which is linked below in this video, and it's www.ourlemongrassspa.com/Priscilla. And then you're gonna shop under July's Lady of the Month show and place your order there. When you're ordering, don't forget to check your subtotal and make sure you're entering your name as many times as you want to. Because for example, if you're at $74, spending like $1 more is gonna get your name into the drawing a whole other time. So every order, no matter what the amount is, gets your name entered one time. But every $25 you spend after the initial $25 gets your name entered an additional time. So let's say you place a $12 order, your name will be entered one time. If you place a $25 order, and this is obviously before tax and shipping, your name will be entered one time. But if you place a $50 order, your name will be entered twice. Once you hit that $75 mark, your name will be entered 3 times. And once you hit $100, your name will be entered 4 times, etc., etc. And you can get your name entered as many times as you wish. So hope that helps. Again, your bonus word for this video is going to be hostess. So if you send that to me in a text message all by itself before midnight this evening, you are going to get your name entered into the giveaway for today. Now, ordering and everything closes tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. So if you want to get your orders to me or place them yourself before then, that would be amazing. I'm going to be sending out a reminder, obviously, before I close everything. But I cannot wait to see who our Lady of the Month is this month. I think it's going to be amazing, and I'm so excited about those 50% more hostess rewards. I'm trying to think if there was anything else. Again, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Oh, and if you want an extra entry into today's giveaway, take a screenshot of this video and tag me in it, either in your Instagram stories or in my Facebook group, and I'll give you an extra entry into today's giveaway. So thank you guys so much for joining me this week. I'm gonna be, again, I'll send you a text tomorrow, and then I'm gonna be revealing the winner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing it in my Facebook group or on my Instagram yet, but I will let you know in the text message tomorrow. So hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Can't wait to see who wins. Thank you again for joining me. I love and appreciate you all. See you later.